What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I've been achieving this super easy spring everyday fresh makeup look and my mascara routine featuring a brand new mascara from Urban Decay. I quickly wanted to say a huge thank you to Urban Decay for partnering with me on today's video. I'm very excited to show you guys how their brand new mascara has changed the game for me with my lashes. So make sure you stick around for exclusive details on the new product and let's get started. Hey, all right, let's get started. So I've already primed my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer, the Longwear Foundation Grip. Honestly, this has been amazing for me the last couple of weeks. I noticed a huge difference in like the longevity of my makeup, so I really like that. For foundation today, I'm going to use the Lorac Pro Soft Focus Longwear Foundation. I've been also using this for the last 4 weeks, I would say, and it's so good. It's definitely more on the sheer to medium side, so I like to do 2 pumps. As you can see, it's pretty runny. But yeah, I've been really liking this foundation. It's been keeping my dry skin really nice and hydrated, and it's the perfect amount of coverage for me right now. I'm not looking for like full coverage or anything like that, so this has been perfect. Don't forget to blend down your jawline. Sometimes I forget. Also, how cute are these little star earrings? I love this little style where the earring goes through your ear and it doesn't really have like a back. So cute. Okay, next I'm going to use the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer Pen. That's a mouthful. This one does have more coverage than my other concealers, but I feel like today I really need it. I barely got some sleep last night. I do like that this is a very creamy concealer. I'm also gonna do a little bit here and in between the brows. I've been cutting back on concealer. I mean, this might be a lot to some people, but for me, I've been trying to cut back a lot on concealer. But today, we're doing a little more coverage. I'm very curious, what is your favorite step in your makeup routine? For me, it's definitely concealer because instant wow factor, and I think mascara just because, again, instant wow factor. So for me, it's concealer and mascara. I always look crazy during this part, but I'm gonna set now using the Juno Blur Makeup Setting Powder. So I don't think I'm gonna bronze today, but I am gonna sculpt and contour, and I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow palette. This shade right here is perfect for contouring. It's like the perfect cool toned brown. So I'm gonna use this shade. And it's so nice and smooth. Since I'm keeping the eyes simple today, I do always put bronzer on the lids just to bring some warmth, even though I'm not doing any eyeshadow. Just gonna do a little bit of liner today, but this will just bring more depth and warmth onto the eyes. So one of my favorite blushes that I love to use during the spring summertime is Milani Luminoso Baked Blush, the OG. I love this shade, especially during the springtime. It gives you such a beautiful luminous glow, and the pink shade is just, I feel like you just look so much more fresh with this blush. I love it. Lately I've been bringing up my blush kind of high up on the cheek. I know it looks crazy, like I'm almost touching my under eye, but honestly, it gives such a beautiful like outcome. So I don't know, try it, because I've been loving doing this. I'm gonna go back to the same palette that I used to contour with, the Charlotte Tilbury one, and I'm gonna use the highlighting side to highlight. I feel like this is a very dialed down highlighter, and that's what I'm looking for today. So there we go. Just a little bit of glow. So I think it's time that I did my brows, and with the power of editing, we're just gonna go right ahead and poof, brows are on. So I'm gonna do a super quick thin liner using eyeshadow, black eyeshadow on an angled brush, and just stamp it really close to the lash line. And then here I'm gonna do a baby wing. Just like that, fill it in. Nothing crazy. This is just to define the eye before we put on the mascara. I'm also going to add some waterproof black liner. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. I hate just having that like separation when you put on some liner and mascara and then you have like the skin peeking through. So I like to put on some liner. And this is honestly the only liner that I find that doesn't transfer onto your lower lash line. So it's pretty awesome. It's making my eyes water. Okay, I think that's good. I feel like it makes such a huge difference. Okay, now it's time for the big reveal. Drum roll, please. Introducing the new Lash Freak Mascara from Urban Decay. I am so excited that I can finally tell you guys what Urban Decay's new product is. I know I teased about it yesterday on my Instagram. It is a brand new mascara. I am so excited about this. You have no idea. This bad boy right here has completely changed my lash game. I think the coolest thing about this brand new mascara is definitely the applicator. It's a very crazy, unique, freaky looking brush. It's an asymmetrical shape with combs on one side, and then you have a flat, smooth little edge to where you can actually lift your eyelashes, which I'll show you guys in just a second. I've been lucky enough to actually get to test this out and try it out for myself before anyone else and before it launches. Lash Freak Mascara gives you both volume and length. I love how bold my lashes look after just a couple of coats. It is also flake proof and smudge proof. Lash Freak gives you up to 20-hour wear time, and I can definitely confirm this because I accidentally fell asleep with my makeup on a couple of days ago. When I woke up, my makeup was definitely ruined and looked crazy, but my lashes still looked bomb. So that was kind of like my accidental test, if you will. I want to show you guys a close-up of the applicator without any mascara on it. So here is a close-up of the brush. You can see the shape of it more and the bristles. It looks pretty crazy. This mascara will also give you 23.6 times more volume, which is the largest volume you can get on the market right now out of a mascara. And it's also cruelty-free and will retail for $25. Okay, let's get a quick before and after here because I want you guys to see how crazy it transforms your lashes. So this is before, obviously nothing on my lashes. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to use the comb side to instantly volumize. And as you guys will see, since all the product is loaded right on the comb side, you get instant thickening and volume. Then once you start working it through, you will see the length come through. Now I'm going to use the tip of the brush, which has its own little bristles on it, to define the small lashes that are hard to get to here in the inner corner. This is like perfect for this little section right here. So the last step is to give your lashes a little lift before the mascara dries. You want to take the smooth side of the brush and go ahead and place it under your lash and hold it there for a few seconds, and this will give you an instant lift. I love this part. I don't think I've seen anything like this before. You just want to hold for a few seconds. I love how it lifts your lashes. Look at that. Look at that crazy before and after. I love this mascara so much. I'm gonna quickly do the other eye and we're gonna finish off this look. All right, there you have it. Both eyes done. What a transformation, right? Like, I am just obsessed. It honestly gives me that look of falsies and I am here for it. So Lash Freak Mascara will be available on urbandecay.com and at retail stores like Sephora and Ulta. Alright, so the last thing I just want to add to finish off this look is just some gloss, and I'm going to use the Jouer Essential Hydrating Lip Oil. It's more of like a hydrating gloss than a hydrating lip balm, but it's amazing. Okay, so there you have it. This is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything that I used today, including the Lash Freak Mascara, will be listed in the description box below with direct links. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.